November 4th, 2020 lesson. All right, so when we take a look at this lesson here, we're going to talk about ratios. Ratios is a comparison of two values or of two quantities. So here's kind of a poster over here. If you click on this poster, it will take you to the math notebook. But let's look over here. So we can express ratios in three different ways. Easy peasy, we got this. We can do it in words. We can use a colon, which are these little two dots. That's what a colon is called. And then a fraction. So we have our little fraction bar here. And then the words is just two something. All right, so write the ratio of apples to bananas. So apples, I'm going to highlight that. We have apples to bananas. Apples to bananas. I'm going to put that in red. All right, so apples first and then bananas. So the order does matter. Order does matter. So since the order matters, the apples is first. So how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3 apples. So in word form, 3. So 3 apples. And then how many bananas are there? 1, 2. 2 bananas. So the bananas is going to go second. So in word form, the ratio of apples to bananas is 3 to 2. Ha, 2, 2. Now, the colon version. Same numbers, same order here. Apples, 2 bananas. We just have a colon. And you can read it as 2. So we have 3 apples to 2 bananas. Same thing with fraction, you guys. It's just with a fraction bar. So we have 3 apples to 2 bananas. That's it. That's literally